Hey everyone, Simon from PDFMonkey here. Today I'd like to show you how you can connect Zapier with PDFMonkey. So to get started, I have a form. I built it with Tally, but you can use any other tool you want. So in this form, I use 3 questions. The first one is your name, the second one is how old are you, and the third one is what do you prefer, dinosaurs, unicorns, or both. Now, I'd like to connect that with a template I made in PDFMonkey. So in my template, I can have the information of the name, the age, and the preference. And depending on this choice, the content of my template will change. So let's say, for instance, I don't like unicorns, I prefer dinosaurs. Then I can set that in my test data, so I can change the behavior of my template to test it. When I save it, it will reload and show me the updated version. Nice! And now I want to connect my template to Zapier. How do I do so? I first need my API key. To get it, I can go to my account and at the bottom of the page, I can find my API key. Now that I have my key, I can go to Zapier and go to the apps page and add a new connection for PDFMonkey. In the pop-up, I can copy my API key and connect my account. I can see that now I have a new connection in Zapier. So now let's go and create our new Zap. We can call it Tally to PDF. And as a trigger, we want to react to a submission in our Tally form. So let's use that, new submission, peer guide, continue. So now I don't have any submissions yet, so I need to create one. So let's go to our form and fill it out. And let's say she likes both. Okay. So now in Zapier, if we do test our trigger, we should see the record for submission, and we do see so. So let's continue. And now we want to generate a PDF using PDFMonkey. So let's generate a PDF, selecting our new account. Now we can choose our templates. So let's select our workspace and then our templates. Perfect. So now the important part is here. That's where we want to map the variables that we've used in our templates to data coming from Tally. So let's go in our template. And here at the bottom, we can see that we used a few variables. We have custom ones from the template, but we also have ones coming from our data. So we have full name, age, and preference. These we can find in test data. Here we have full name, age, and preference. Notice how I named full name. There is no space. It's just one word. There are some rules to how you can name a variable. For instance, you can use, if you prefer like snake case, you can use like Pascal case if you want. Just keep in mind that you must avoid using spaces in your variable names. Like this won't be valid because in the code itself, you cannot do something like this. Okay, it won't work. So always make sure that you either use like this type of case, the camel case, or use some snake case or something like that. Okay, so now we want to put something in Zapier so that it will map these names to actual values. So let's go and do so. So here in Zapier, I will say full name, and what I want to add in front of full name is the actual response to the form. So let's use what's your name here and add new values. So there is age, where we do have the age, and last but not least, the preference. Okay, now that we have that, we can try out our action. So let's test it out. So yeah, it's loading a bit. And yeah, so we got a document and we can check how it looks in PDFMonkey. So let's go and check our documents. And here we have one with our information, and it seems it worked. So now let's say I want to use the person's name as the file name for the PDF. So let's go back to Zapier and change our settings a bit. So let's go to Configure, and then here in Custom File Name, I can use the answer, and that should be enough to make it work. Okay, let's retest. And we have a new document in our lists, and it's named Gwen Stacy. And now we've seen how to connect PDFMonkey in Zapier. We'll also publish a video about how we built the template for this demo. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to be warned when we publish it. I hope you liked it. See you later.